Video begins with the woman pouring juice. Narrator. When this woman offered her boyfriend a glass of juice, he thought it was a sweet gesture. She grabs the water pitcher. Narrator. But he had no idea he was walking right into her subtle trap. She is seen diluting his drink with water. Narrator. Because while she kept her glass full of pure juice, she secretly diluted his with water, making it almost tasteless. She walks over to the couch and hands him the glass.